The guest notification editor, customizing guest notifications. I'm on the OnceHub homepage, and to access the guest notification editor, I click on Booking Calendars, and here I have the link to the guest notifications editor. Here I can see the system template, which is the default template, and I can see all the booking lifecycle notifications, meeting scheduled, meeting reminder. I can create multiple reminders here, meeting scheduled, meeting reassigned, and meeting canceled. So I can go ahead and customize any of these notifications, and I can also create new notification templates. I've already created a new notification template for Retire Well, and I've started to customize it. For example, I've added the Retire Well logo. This is a very rich editor, and you can see that in this editor, you can actually have full control over the text with different fonts and colors. You can add links, you can add images, and you can add variables. You can see all the variables. These variables are going to get inputs when the booking is made. And I can make any change here. For example, if I want this text to be red, I can highlight it and make it red. That's not a problem. Anything can be done here. If I want to see how it looks, then there is a preview. So we can see here the notification preview. This is the preview, and in the preview, all the variables are populated with the dummy text. So you can see exactly how it's going to look.